So here we are, we're gonna install the new Type R spoiler for the NSX. And I'm gonna do the video, but I gotta do a lot of cuts. It's gonna be a short video. I can't record everything because out here where I live we have limited internet and I can't upload a long video. It has to be a short one. So yeah. That's okay. It's good. First thing first, we're gonna take out these 3 little bolts. We're gonna try to remove it. Yeah, those 1, 2, and 3. Sure you got everything? Yeah. Just lay on. If I can go into the blade. Can you try it a little bit? Yeah. Okay. Yeah. You push it up? Yeah, I have it. You can't take it far, because I assume there's a cable. Yeah, just I got the wing. You got it? Yeah, I'll do the connection. Oh, yeah, you were right. There is a connector in there. There is a connector. Okay, you got the wing. Take it. There is a connector. There was some stickiness here which we're gonna clean. We're gonna do a nice cleaning. So with the switch, which is on an original spoiler, what you have to do, you gotta reach in there with a sharp pick and you gotta lift up that little pin and you can pull the wire right out. Once you pull the wire out, you gotta cut it off from right here. You cut it off from the pin. You have to solder the aftermarket spoiler wires on the pin, plug it back in there, and your brake lights are connected. You have to cut off the other piece. This part goes here originally, because this part's supposed to go into the wing. But the aftermarket wing does not have the hole here that this would fit in. So you have to cut this off. We soldered everything with we moved the switch to the new spoiler. I had to use extra double-sided tape there because the gap is a little bigger. Now what's very important is this edge that has to line up. And it looks like it lines up perfectly. Awesome. Everything works. This was very important for me to line up nicely. Oh yeah, and this here, yeah, it doesn't line up as good as the other side. But oh well, there's nothing I can do about that. But I think it looks great. I like the way it looks. Oh yeah, it definitely worth it.